Gently rub your palms. Place them on your eyes and open your eyes with a beautiful smile. Let's start the class with the stretches. Feet apart. Interlock your fingers. Stretch your arms up. Come on your toes. Try to keep your arms behind the ears and slightly look up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Down. Breathe in. This stretch gives you stability and balance. Breathe out. Down. Breathe in up. Breathe out. Down. Continue. Breathe in up. Breathe out. Down. Breathe in up. Breathe out. Down. Relax. Feet little more apart. Breathe in. Breathe out. 1. Breathe in. 2. 3. Continue. 4. 5. 6. Very good. 7. Feel the stretch in your sidewards. 8. 9. Your hands should be straight like this. See? 10. They should not go down like this. Okay? 10 more. 11. Little faster. 12. 13. 14. 15. Very good for side fat. 16. 17. 18. 19 and 20. Awesome. Breathe in and breathe out. Okay. Now hold your shoulders. Rotate your shoulders clockwise. Try to touch the elbow in front. Make full big circle with your elbows. 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. Breathe in, breathe out. For your elbows, palms facing to the ceiling. Spread your hands in front. Breathe in, touch your arms to the shoulders. Breathe out. Breathe in, 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 breathe out. Relax. Okay, hold your waist. Rotate your waist. 1, fully. 2, side, back, right, front. Side, back, right, front. Side, back, right, front. Opposite side. 1, 2, do not bend forward. 3, 4, and 5. Okay? Activated your abdomen region, digestive system. Very good. Now, 20 counts of leg raised up. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel the crunch in your tummy. 6. Leg up to the chest level. See my hands. 1. You keep your hands like this. 2, 3, 4, 5. Do not move your hands. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Hands in front. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Awesome job. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe. This will give you energy from inside. Okay. Now spread your hands in front. Try to touch the right leg to your left hand. Okay, how? 1 and left leg to your right hand. 2. Slowly. 3. First of all, balance your body. 4, 5, 6, 7. Try to keep your legs straight. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hands in front. Niharika ji. 13, 14, 15. Very good. 16. 5 more. 17, 18, 19, 20. Awesome. Okay. Can you feel the stretch in your tummy, activating your abdomen system, digestive system? Yes. Show me thumbs up if yes. Wow. Awesome job. Clap for yourself. Next one. Feet apart. Bend forward and then try to touch the right hand to your left leg. Triangle bending. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Continue. 8, 9, 10. Bend down. 11. Pritha. 12, 13. Awesome. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Awesome job. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay? Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay, next exercise is for everything, like for your brain, for your immunity, for your abdomen center, for your legs. Okay, you can feel for your hands. Okay, for your hairs. Okay, for your long hairs also, for your beauty. Everything is included, but that's a very simple asana. That is called Padahastasana. What is that? Padahastasana. Breathe in. Stretch your hands. Hands behind the ears. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Everyone stretch. Stretch. Feel the stretch in your shoulders. Very good. For your shoulder also. Then slowly, slowly keep the hands with the ear. Do not leave them. Okay. Touch the hand to the ear and bend forward, 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 forward. And then try to touch the ankle. And then touch the chin to chest. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Feel the blood flow towards the brain. 7. Close your eyes. 8. Focus at the eyebrow center. 9, 10. Breathe in up. Breathe in up. Stretch your arms up, 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 up. We'll do 5 rounds of Padahastasana. Stretch your arms up. Touch the hands to ear. Then bend forward, 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 forward. Slowly touch the ankle, touch the chin to chest. Stay. 1. Close your eyes. 2. Focus at the eyebrow center. 3. Feel the blood flow towards the brain. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe in up. Bend forward. Stretch your arms up. Bend forward. Very slowly. Follow the breathing technique. Follow the technique. How do you go to down? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe in out. 2 more rounds. I'll come and check. Breathe in. Stretch your arms up. Bend forward from front side. Okay? Bend forward. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close your eyes. Feel the blood flow. 6, 7, 8. Touch the chin to chest. 9, 10. Come up. Very good. Breathe in. Stretch your arms up. Bend forward. Stretch your arms up first of all, then bend forward. Okay? Very easy but very much beneficial. So many benefits. Touch the chin to chest. Close your eyes. Try to keep your legs straight. 1, 2. Focus at the eyebrow center. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Breathe it out and relax. Enjoy. Wow. Awesome. Okay. Though it is very slow, but having so many benefits. I have already told you the benefits. Okay, now we have to go down. But there is a way to go down. Breathe in. Arch your back. Bend forward. Okay. Walk on your palms. Walk on your palms. And then go to a mountain. This is called mountain. Newcomers, please check what is mountain. Touch the chin to chest. Try to touch the heel to the floor. But for beginners, it will be little difficult. But try to touch the heel to the floor. Stay. Very good. Okay. Then go to table pose. This is called table pose. Bend your knees. Okay, your hands should be just under your shoulders. Your legs should be just under the hips. Breathe in, hip outside, head up. Feel the stretch in your chest region. It's a very good asana for immunity. Feel the stretch in your abdomen region. Very good asana for people having abdomen problems. Any type of problems. Very good for brain. Breathe out at the chin to chest. Stretch your shoulders up. Close your eyes. Feel the blood flow towards the brain. Very good exercise for chest, brain, abdomen, shoulders, spine. Now breathe in up. Hip outside, head up. This is called cow pose. Close your eyes, breathe in, deep breathe in, deep breathe out. Deep breathe in, deep breathe out. Deep breathe in, deep breathe out. And then breathe out and stretch your arms up and then make a nice curve with your back. That's the chin to chest. Close your eyes. Focus at the eyebrow center. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel the crunch in your tummy, crunch in your chest, crunch in your neck. Breathe in up. Last 2 rounds. Stay. 1, breathe in, focus at the eyebrow center. Feel the stretch. 2, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. And then breathe out. Curve your back. Stretch your arms up. Close your eyes. Touch the chin to chest. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. And relax in child pose. See, this is the child pose. See, you have to walk on your fingers. Walk on your fingers and then walk away from the body, and then your elbows should not touch the floor. And then touch the forehead to the floor. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly come up and sit in Vajrasana. Newcomers, this is called Vajrasana. When you are sitting on your hips, If you can sit, you should sit. Okay, because Vajrasana is the best pose to improve your digestion. Okay, and all problems occur from your digestive system. If your digestion is not good, you'll have so many problems. So you should sit in Vajrasana after the meal time. After having breakfast, lunch or dinner, you can sit in Vajrasana and you have what to do? Open your chest, breathe in, breathe out. And it calms down your mind also. Breathe in, breathe out. Focus at the chest center. Breathe in, feel the expansion of your lungs. Breathe out, contraction of your lungs. Close your eyes and relax. Okay? Fine. Again, you have to get up. How? Come on your palms. Okay? Then lift up your hips. And then walk on your legs. Okay, walk on your feet. And then breathe in, hands sideways up. And then get ready for the Surya Namaskara. Okay? Understood now? So we will practice at least 3 rounds or 4 rounds of Surya Namaskara according to your strength. Okay? People who know Surya Namaskara can just do 3 or 4 rounds of Surya Namaskara, and the newcomers, I'll teach you the way, the technique and the steps of Surya Namaskara. Fine? So others, please continue and complete at least 4 or 5 rounds of Surya Namaskara. Fine? And then after that, relax. Very good. So I'll come closer. The first step of Surya Namaskara, join your hands. Breathe in, arch your back. Breathe out, bend forward. Touch the ankle or floor according to your strength. Touch the chin to chest here. Then bend your knees and then palms nicely on the floor. Right leg back. Very good. And right ankle resting on the floor. Okay. Then tuck your toes and keep your left leg also back and go to mountain. Here you have to touch the chin to chest. And then shift your leg back. Make sure your hand should not move. Go to Ashtanga, knee, chest, chin down. Only knee, chest and chin down. Your tummy should not touch the floor. And touch the chin also on the floor. This is called Ashtanga. Then relax your body and lift up your upper body up to the navel region. Okay? Yeah, this is called Cobra pose. Your elbows should bend a little. Okay? And then lift up your body and one step forward, a small step forward, and then go to mountain. This is called mountain pose. Here, touch the chin to chest again. And then slowly bring your right leg forward again. Left knee down. Left ankle resting on the floor. And then look straight. Make sure this leg, front leg should be at the 90-degree angle with the floor. Okay, it should not be like this. It should not be like this. It should be like this. And then tuck your toes. Lift up your left leg. Bring your left leg forward. Touch the chin to chest. And then breathe in. Arch your back. And hands in Namaste. Okay? Very good. We'll do the same thing with the left leg. Okay? So I'll just check you all. Okay, fine. I think somebody wanted to enter, but couldn't. No problem. Okay, so we'll continue. Fine. So join your hands again. Hope I'm clear. Swati ji and Lalita ji. Show me the answer with yes. Okay, join your hands, both of you. Breathe in, arch your back. Breathe out, bend forward. Very good. Touch the chin to chest. Then bend your legs down. And then left leg back. Left ankle resting on the floor. Then tuck your toes. Both legs back. Go to mountain. Touch the chin to chest. Very good. Then shift your leg back. Go to plank. And then knee, chest, chin down. Ashtanga. Make sure your tummy should not touch the floor. Breathe in. Lift up your body up to the navel region. Your elbow should be bent a little. And elbow should touch the rib cage. Then lift up your body. Small step forward. Go to mountain. Then left leg forward. Very good. Tuck your toes. Both legs forward. Here does the chin to chest. Breathe in, arch your back. And breathe out. Namaste. Okay, in this way, complete your at least 2 more rounds. Okay, and I'll check. Very good. I'll come and check. Okay, everyone done? Very good. So, how to get down, Lalita ji and everyone? Join your hands and then sit in Malasana. This is called Malasana. This is a very good asana for ladies. Okay, with this gives the strength to your pelvic region, and ladies having abdomen problems like PCOD or any problem related to your abdomen region will be resolved. Okay, this will reduce the menstrual cramps also, because this asana gives strength to your pelvic region. Okay, understood? So in this case, what to do? Breathe in, expand your abdomen. Abdomen को थोड़ा सा expand करना है, breathing करेंगे, and breathe out, contract. Squeeze your abdomen inside. Breathe in, expand. Breathe out, contract. Breathe in, expand. Breathe out, contract. And then relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Sit straight. This is called Sukhasana. Okay. Close your eyes. Focus at the eyebrow center. And chant Pranayama mantra. Join your hands. Om Pranasidam Vase Sarvam Tridive Yat Pratishchitam Mateva Putrana Rakshasva Sri Cha Pragyana Cha Videhinati. Om Gently rub your palms. Place them on your eyes. And whenever you are ready, open your eyes with a beautiful smile. Hands in Chin Mudra. Breathe in and breathe out. Keeping your eyes closed, we will start Kapalabhati Kriya. In Kapalabhati Kriya, We will just only focus on our exhalation part. How? You can keep the hands on the abdomen center and then try to exhale first. Exhale, 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 exhale. So in this way, you have to just focus on exhalation part. Inhalation will be automatic. Okay, understood now? Show me thumbs up, yes, or shall I explain you? Yeah, let me just check. Yeah, unmute and say. Very good. No, no, no. No. See how to do? Do not have to inhale, only exhalation. As if you are clearing your nose. Okay? As if you are clearing your nose. Exhalation from your nose. Okay? Shall I come closer? See. Here is my tummy. Okay? I'm only exhaling. Only exhaling. Inhalation is automatic. I don't know whether it is happening or not, but it is happening. That's why we are exhaling. No. We are inhaling the air. That's why we are exhaling. Okay? Understood? Everyone? Show me thumbs up. Yes. I'm just coming a little closer. Okay. Breathe in. Now everyone have to complete 60, 60, 60, 3 rounds. Okay? Fine. Breathe in. Focus at the eyebrow center. Close your eyes. Spine straight. Hands in Chinna Mudra. What is Chinna Mudra? Join your index finger and thumb. Breathe in. Yes, exactly. Okay. Then exhale. Go very slow initially. Beginners should complete only 30 counts. Okay, no problem. 30 counts, 3 rounds. 30, 30, 30. Practitioner 60, 60, 60. Okay, fine. If you have done 60 counts or 30 counts, just relax. Breathe in and breathe out. Otherwise, please complete your counts. Close your eyes and get ready for the second round. Breathe in. Breathe in. You have to go very slow and breathe out. Keeping your eyes closed. start the third round. Breathe in. If the third round is little difficult, you can stop and keep breathing. Relax for 3 breaths. And breathe out. Let your breath normalize. Smile on your face. Just observe the change in your breathing after this Kriya. Then rub your palms. Place them on your eyes and open your eyes with a beautiful smile. The next pranayama is Chandrabhedi pranayama. We will practice both Chandrabhedi and Suryabhedi. Okay. So I'll just explain you what are the effects of Chandrabhedi and Suryabhedi pranayama. Chandrabhedi indicates the moon energy, which gives you calmness and coolness in your mind and body. Suryabhedi gives you instant energy. If you feel little lazy, so you should practice Suryabhedi pranayama. If you feel overthinking, okay, so you should practice Chandrabhedi pranayama. Okay, understood now? And in coronavirus time, you should practice Suryabhedi pranayama for preventive wellness. Preventive wellness means you will not have any disease or virus infection if you will do this Suryabhedi pranayama. But contraindication is that you should not do it in the fever time. Okay, if you are having fever, you should not do this Suryabhedi pranayama. Okay, so you can note down or you can ask me anything later on after this class. Okay, so Chandrabhedi pranayama for calmness and coolness of your body. Let's start. What to do? You have to fold your 2 fingers, index finger and middle finger. Other hand should be in Chinna Mudra. Okay, and close your right nostril and breathe in with left nostril. Then close your left nostril and breathe out with right nostril. Then close your right nostril, breathe in with left. And you should have deep breathing and deep breathe out. And then breathe out with right nostril. So you have to inhale always from left, exhale from right. Okay, that is called Chandrabhedi pranayama. And the opposite will be breathe in with right, breathe out with left. Suryabhedi pranayama. Okay, we will practice both to balance both nadis, Surya Nadi and Chandra Nadi. Okay, let's start the Chandrabhedi pranayama. Complete your 10 rounds of Chandrabhedi pranayama on your own. Focus at the eyebrow center. Close your eyes. Go very slow. The more you will do, the more calmer your mind will be. Those who have completed, please complete 5 more rounds. Spine straight.
कॉल
किसका कॉल आ रहा है?
कोई 890
यार इसको बंद कर दो।
अरे कोई दूसरा है।
बात कर लो, क्या ना मम्मी बिजी है, ठीक है, बाद में कॉल कर लो।
तो जा रही हूँ।
बाहर जाओ तुम, अब मत लेके आना प्लीज। देखो बहुत डिस्टर्ब होता है बेटा, मैं डायलॉग भूल जाती हूँ। तुम्हारे लिए तो बहुत इजी है। Keep your eyes closed. Just relax. Observe the change in your breathing. Because after pranayama, you should observe the breathing speed. It should be slower. Very good. Let everyone enter. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Just observe the change in your breathing, everyone. Keep your eyes closed. Hands in Chin Mudra. Next pranayama is bird pranayama. Okay. In bird pranayama, I will count. Okay, and you have to follow the instructions. One more person is left, I think. Okay. In bird pranayama, I'll instruct and you have to follow. Fine. You have to keep your. Let me just keep the camera a little far away. My hands should be visible. See, like this. Okay. You don't have to touch the hands to the floor. Should be just beside your body. Everyone spine straight. Look in front and breathe in. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3. Go very slow. 4, 5, and 6. And you have to hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold your breath. 1, 2. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold your breath. 1, 2. Inhale. Keep inhale only. Slowly, slowly inhale. Inhale, 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 and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now slowly, slowly exhale. Very slow. Initially it is very difficult, but you will learn. Keep exhaling. Hold. 1, 2. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold your breath. 1, 2. Breathe in and breathe out. So this practice slow down your breathing speed. Okay, and that's the main purpose of pranayama. Fine. Next one, we will just apply the chin lock. Okay, that is called our Jalandhar Bandha. So what to do in that? Keep your hands on your knees like this. Breathe in and hold your breath and touch the chin to chest. Okay, and do not exhale, and hold the breath as long as possible. And if you want to exhale, you have to keep your head up and then exhale. So that's the way of exhaling and the technique of Jalandhar Bandha. Okay, let's practice with me. The first round, breathe in, fill up your lungs with air, lock your chin, close your eyes, focus at the chest center, hold your breath as long as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Head up and exhale. So if you want to exhale before us, okay, you can do it. But what is the technique? Head up and exhale. Okay, you should not exhale in the chin lock. Okay, understood now? Shall we start the second round? Breathe in, chin lock. Close your eyes, focus at the chest center. Do not look in front, look down or close your eyes. Better to close your eyes, focus at the chest center. Head up and exhale. Okay? You can hold up to 5 seconds only, no problem. But first you should try to hold. Okay? So third round, breathe in. Chin lock. Focus at the chest center. It's a very good practice for your lungs strengthening, for your heart strengthening, people having thyroid, for your brain. It removes the blockages from your brain to chest. Breathe in and relax. Oh, sorry, exhale and relax because we have already breathed in. Okay. So close your eyes. Now you have to observe the change in your breathing. Just stay. So this is called the Keval Kumbhaka state. That is the automatic suspension of breathing. There is no effort in your breathing. It is very calmer and smoother. Keeping your eyes closed. Okay. Put your index finger in the ear. This is called the classical way of Bhramari Pranayama. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Focus at the eyebrow center and exhale with the Makara chanting. After completing your 3 rounds of Bhramari Pranayama, relax. Feel the vibrations on your face. This Bhramari Pranayama improves the memory, concentration, relaxes your mind and gives you facial glow also. Excuse me. It gives you positivity also. So, next is our chakra healing meditation. Get ready for that. Breathe in, close your eyes, spine straight, hands in Chin Mudra, smile on your face. And now, focus at the base of the spine. So, before that, I would like to just tell you for the newcomers what are chakras. Okay. Others know because they are already in my class since last so many months. Okay, so what is chakra? Chakra are the energy centers in our body. We have 7 chakras in our body. Okay, we have 72,000 energy channels from where, okay, our breathing, or you can say prana flow. Okay, the air which is flowing, from where it is flowing? From nadis, or you can say energy channels. And where these energy channels intersect, can you see intersection? Yes. So those points are called chakras. ओके ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि भाई व्हील है हमारे चक्रास हैं, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. Where these nadis intersect and the channels intersect, those are called chakras. Okay, so we have 7 main chakras where our nadis intersect are Mooladhara chakra, Swadhisthana chakra, Manipura chakra, Anahata chakra, Vishuddhi chakra, Agneya chakra and Sahasrara chakra. Each and every chakra has its own importance. Okay, Mooladhara chakra gives you stability. Swadhisthana chakra also gives you stability and creativity, passion. Okay, it energizes your body. Manipura chakra resolves all problems related to your stomach. Anahata chakra resolves all problems related to your chest. It will give you emotional balance. Vishuddhi chakra resolves all problems related to your throat. Okay, and gives you purification of speech. Okay, 2 things: problems, disease like thyroid. Okay, like any other goiter kind of a thing. Okay, all problems related to throat will be resolved with this Vishuddhi chakra. Agneya chakra calms down your mind and resolves all problems related to brain. Okay, like anger, anxiety, stress, all are related to our brain. Yes, and sleeplessness, overthinking, है ना? Insomnia problem, headaches, all problems related to brain will be resolved with this Agneya chakra. Okay, if you will energize, balance, all these problems will be resolved. And now, yeah, one more thing. With this chakra, we can connect our mind to universe. Okay, the inside, you can say sixth sense. You can just improve your sixth sense with this chakra. If you energize this chakra, your sixth sense will be activated. Like if you just predict anything कि आपको ऐसा लग रहा है, means your sixth sense is very active. Sometimes it happens ना कि मैंने सोचा था कि ये ऐसा हो जाएगा, है ना? तो it happens why? Because your Agneya chakra is energized or activate. बचपन से कई लोगों को होता है, तो उनमें इनहेरिटेड होता है कि yes, it's this girls or this boys, this Agneya chakra is activated or energized or powerful, you can say. So if you practice all these chakra healing sessions or energization of chakra, you will be able to balance all chakras. Fine, will not have any problem. And the last chakra is Sahasrara chakra. This chakra just connects your body and mind with the universe. Okay, like spirituality. You will be able to elevate yourself in the spiritual manner. Fine. So you can connect your body with the universe. You can connect yourself with the Paramatma. Your Atma will be just connected with the Paramatma. And you will be spiritually like progressive. Fine. You can say you can progress in the spiritual way. Understood now? From bottom to top, all are 7 chakras. So this will be now we will be energized or balance our chakra with the chakra healing session. Okay. So what to do in that? Close your eyes, breathe in, and you all have to follow my instructions and where to focus, what to chant. Just listen carefully. Okay. And after the session, if you have any problem, just ask me. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time, breathe in. Now, you have to focus at the perineal point or the base of the spine and chant the Bij mantra. Lam Lam. 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 Breathe in. And now focus at the point 4 inch below the navel. That is your Swadhisthana chakra. 4 inch below the navel. And chant the Bij mantra. Vam. 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 Breathe in. And now focus at the point 2 inch above the navel. That is your Manipura chakra. And chant the Bij mantra. Ram. 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 Breathe in. And now focus at the Anahata chakra at the chest center and chant the Bij mantra. Yam. 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 Breathe in. And now focus at the Vishuddhi chakra at the throat center and chant the Bij mantra. Hum. 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 Breathe in. And now focus at the eyebrow center. That is your Agneya chakra. And chant the Bij mantra. Om. 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 Breathe in. And now focus at the top of the head. That is called your Sahasrara chakra. Just make the connection with God and you as a son and father. Imagine an image of a God standing in front of you. He is showering so many golden rays on you. He's showering so many red petals on you in the form of happiness, blessings, relaxation. And now you have to imagine you are keeping your head in the lap of God, and God is patting your head, relaxing your head, taking all of your problems, giving you relaxation, peace, taking all of your anxiety, stress, and tension. Feel the peaceful environment around you. There is no more hustle or bustle of this external world. Think yourself as a peaceful soul who is just getting relaxation in the lap of Paramatma, God, the ultimate Brahma. And relax for 5 breaths. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and chant. Oh. Now, you have to shift your attention from Muladhara Chakra to Sahasrara Chakra, chanting the Bij Mantra with me. Breathe in, Lam, focus at the Muladhara Chakra, Vam, Sahasrara Swadhisthana Chakra, Ram, Manipura Chakra, Yam, Anahata Chakra, Ham, Shuddhi Chakra, Agneya Chakra, Om, Sahasrara Chakra, breathe in, Nam, Vam, Ram, Yam, Ham, Om. Breathe in, Nam, Vam, Ram, Yam, Om. Breathe in and relax for 3 breaths. Breathe in and breathe out. Now, your body and mind are totally calm and relaxed. Become aware of the surroundings. Keep your hands on the chest and repeat the positive affirmations that you do. Breathe in. I'm happy. I'm healthy. I'm relaxed. I'm blessed. I'm confident. I'm beautiful. I'm a peaceful soul. Join your hands. Let's bless the world with this calm state of mind. Om Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Om. 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 Gently rub your palms. Place them on your eyes. Feel the darkness. And whenever you are ready, open your eyes with a beautiful smile. Thank you so much. Hope you're relaxed and calm from within. You can just unfold your legs. Stretch your toes towards you. And opposite. Towards you, breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in. Rotate your legs. Opposite side. Move your leg. Just a minute. Move your legs. Very good. We're getting ready to get up. Making our body ready to get up. Rotate your hands. Open, close, open, close. Very good. Turn your body. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in. Stretch your arms up. And relax. Very good. Now, clap the hands very hardly. See, the lines should meet each other and then clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in and laugh with me. आज की आनंद की जय हो. Thank you so much. Hope you like my session. The tip of the day, whenever you are feeling stressed, I'll just show you the stress point that is beside your nostril. Press those points. At least 8 to 10 times. Close your eyes. Keep your 2 fingers behind the ear and just relax your vagus nerve that is located behind your ear up to the brain. Okay? Pull your ears very gently. Upper side of the ear, outside. Very good, very gently. Close your eyes. Center part of the ear. Pull your ear. Lower part, pull down. Smile on your face, Saraji. Again, outside, above, down, and relax. Very good. Thank you so much.